welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Angelica, but back again with a brand new video. In today's video, it's gonna be really short. This is just gonna be like the intro to the series I'm about to create on my channel. So the title of my series is called Turning My House into a Home. So with this series, I wanted to do it pretty much part of my healing journey that I'm currently going on right now. So I went through something very traumatic almost a year ago, and I never really got a chance to, grieve or process or go through it. Being a college student, so now that I'm post-grad, so I got time, actually to go through the healing process of this event and stuff. So I decided to create this series of like going into my home and to get rid of all the old and bring it into the new. And that's what I want to do with this series. So really in this series, you don't see me go to each part of my house, each room in my house, and just cleaning, like getting rid of stuff that no longer serve me, that don't have no purpose in my life. As I'm transitioning, I'm closing one chapter in my life and opening a new chapter in my life. I wanted to get rid of things, like to get rid of everything that no longer serve me, no longer that I can use in my life. Just really get myself on a path of healing, like full healing, and just embrace the new chapter in my life. So it really honestly don't be a fun series. I don't know how many episodes I'm gonna do, but I know it don't be at least 5 episodes of just me just cleaning and just getting with it, the cutter and organizing, and then like the rest of the series just don't be me buying new things. But I really wanted to get rid of the old and to bring in new. So I really want to open up myself to new, and I know serving God and stuff, and I know God really want me to, get rid of the old stuff, get rid of old baggage, old things, old clothes, stuff that I'm in no point that no longer serve me purpose in my life, and for He be able to open up and bring new into my life. And got so much stuff I want to do, so I gotta really get rid of the old just to bring in the new journey. Because I got so many ideas and creativity, especially for my channel, and I'm not able to do it because I gotta get rid of the old. So hopefully throughout this series, I'm bringing you on this journey of me just getting rid of the old, bringing the new. You come with me to the healing journey and stuff, because it's a lot. I ain't gonna lie, especially with the 1-year anniversary coming up in a couple of days. It's a lot, but I'm strong. And yeah, this is something I need to get doing. So yeah, I'm not getting emotional or nothing, but yeah, this is something I really gotta do just for my sake, for my mental health and my healing journey and stuff. So we don't go to the whole house, get rid of everything, to do a deep clean, because I believe a clean space equal a clean mind, and that's what I need right now, is a clear mind to actually think, to be more, get back into being creative again, go back doing things I love, that I was passionate about, but I fell off when life happened. So I really just want to get back into the things I love, like writing books, working out consistently, just doing things that I love, that I passionate, that make me happy, that keep me stress free, that and stuff like that. So that's what they say about get rid of the old, bring in the new. So I'm really excited for this and keep it. And I know you guys were hearing about this. I've been put aside to say back in May, but stuff happened, life happened, things wasn't going the way that I want. But even though they ain't going the way I want, I know like God always says, trust in His timing. And yeah, I did that what it is. I did the timing, even though I was trying to rush the process, but God don't rush it. So yeah, so I got a schedule that I haven't started yet, but I'll probably be doing that right now. I'll probably be actually started on room. You might see a little calendar right here, but I do got a calendar. Also trying to do. I'm trying to be disciplined and got a calendar. So this somewhat the goal for this week, since I got a week off from church and stuff. Hallelujah, that bad. But I got a week off from church, so since me got a week off from going to church, I can actually execute the plan of cleaning. So today, since today is Monday, August 3rd, as I'm filming it, I'll probably be in my walk-in closet cleaning that out. Not really clean, but mostly picking up stuff and to get it organized the way I want it. So that's what we're doing. So each room got different days. So yeah. So this is my kind of, I'm going to be following throughout this, but this not all of it. It's just for this week of me trying to make sure I discipline myself, don't get overstimulated, do the whole part, because trust me, try to clean this before, I would overstimulate, I would aggravate, and I didn't, because I had other people trying to help me, and I feel like when you're in a healing journey, and plus, I don't know, it's different for everybody, but for my healing, I can't have people when I had to do this myself. I just had to take the time out, be in my emotion, and to get it done. So I think that's why I get overstimulated. I can't have people. I had to do this myself because it's my healing journey. So I can't have people in my healing journey when I gotta be the one and have a different voice and ears and stuff going down. So I ain't trying to make the video too long because this just the intro and stuff, because you don't see the full on process of me going through my whole house and just transforming. But you've seen bits and pieces. I've been back on YouTube. You've seen bits and pieces of changes. For example, the couch is new. My room is blue. So you've been seeing different stuff, but in the fullest fit of what my vision, how I want my house to be. It just, I'm doing little things. Because at the time, like I said, I was rushing the process of here, trying to get. I need my house to feel like a home, so I was just rushing it, and I kind of, I don't know, burnt myself. Not really burnt myself up, but it took a toll on me. So, you know what? Then let me sit back, not rush the process, and let God flow in me the way He want to flow in this process. So that's what we're gonna do. So this just the intro. So like I said, this is just the intro. This is not the video for the week. This is just the intro. So this coming out Wednesday, and then the actual video don't be coming out Saturday on my regular schedule. So each week it don't be a episode of the series. I'm also, but I ain't trying to make everything. Just know the first couple episode don't be. Not the first couple of episodes of the series don't be on the channel for the next couple of weeks, and then it don't have my other usual lifestyle content, beauty content in there as well. But right now I'm just want to get this up done because I know life by this side life and so my way. Well, I'm free before my summer is officially over and it's grind time because it's back to school season. Even though I'm not going back to school since I am post grad, I still want to treat my life like I'm going back to school. You know what I'm saying? Like, even though I'm not going back to school because I just graduated in May, but I want my mindset to still be like, I'm about to start school, it's back to school season, I want to start school. Like that's how my mindset is. So with that being, having that mindset, I want to get why it's technically summer for me. I want to get, my house done, do like a bed spring clean and all that, and then like when technically with suicide, I'm disciplined, I'm working on my calendar, I'm working on my YouTube, just, executing. I'm not really executing that and getting my life together, picking, having category for each life and getting each part of my life organized and set. Like I'm going back to school, like I'm putting myself on schedule, like I got classes, like, okay, so YouTube is a class, cleaning my house in a class, like, I want to like, put like schedule, like a calendar, like how you go to school Monday to Friday. That's how I want to do my life, but do different classes because like in college I had to, we had to switch classes or go to a different class from this time from 12 to 1 you in this class, from 1 to 2 you in that class, stuff like that, So that's how I'm going to execute. So right now while I'm still taking on summer vacation, clean, do everything, and then when school technically when back to season starts, I want to be like disciplined. I want to act like I'm back in college, high school, back as a student again. And that I feel like I get myself in that mindset. Okay, I'm about to become a student again. I think it don't really help me because I'm so used to being a student. That's like my life. Like now that I got it, like what I put to do with my life because I don't have to wake up, go to class, do homework, write papers. It's like I don't know what to do. I'm so confused right now. So I feel like I treat my life like I'm going to school, like wake up, start get myself on a routine, and like, okay, I need to wake up this time for class, I need to be in bed by this time, just get create a routine like I'm actually going to school each and every day, I feel like they're really gonna help me be, one, more disciplined, two, consistency, because I'm very receptive and consistent, but I can't fall off. Whenever I fall off, it'll be hard for me to get back on track once I fall off. So I feel like if I can get my life and make myself pretend that I'm back in school as a student, I feel like I can get my life together and this, dedicated time. Okay, this, like, okay, Monday, Wednesday is this day. So, like, for example, Monday, Wednesday is YouTube. That's my class for the day. And I focus strictly on YouTube those days. For that certain amount of time, I want to be in that class for, like, maybe 12 to 1, something like that. And to do, like, time blocking like that. I feel like doing that, I feel like it'll help me. And so, to be organized, and I feel like it'll make me so disciplined enough that I can finally reach my goal that I set, especially on my vision board. Because I feel like I'm not, I'm doing my vision, but I'm not achieving the day because I'm not really putting this, I'm disciplining myself, but I'm not fully disciplining myself and doing it because I'm not on a set schedule. So I think at the time I am soon and do it that way, I think this will really help my healing journey to where I need to reach my full attention and get to the place that I need to be in life, because I feel like I am so behind in life. Even though I'm not behind, but I feel like I'm behind. At 26, I feel like I'm so behind in life. Like I should have been further where I'm at. But even though I feel like that, I know in God's plan, I'm not far behind. I'm like right on track. So I feel like this series on my channel was something I need right now in my life, just to be like something I look back in the future, be like, okay, like I go do something like this again, like try to motivate, or I need to just go through a healing journey. And so I'll be able to look back at this series and be like, okay, so this is how I went through my healing journey. This is how I was able to process my emotion and went through this, like something so traumatic as what I experienced and how I went through it, and just enjoy life. So hope this series helps someone out there who also going through a healing journey, because I know you guys been wondering about what really went down, and I've been saying it since it happened, but I haven't really said what happened. I feel like I'm not ready yet, even though it's about to be a year. I feel like I'm not fully ready yet to actually open up about it. But yeah, but I hope this video helps somebody out there the way it helped me. So hope you enjoyed this series, this new series on my channel. And I see you throughout this. I love you guys, and I see you in my next video.